Hello everyone, and this is a little drawing video for tonight because I'm kind of busy with work lately, so I wasn't able to get any videos out lately. So hopefully this video will do in the meantime. And today I'm going to be drawing the Amphithere, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's pretty much like a legless dragon, pretty much. And I'm gonna add more detail to this dragon that I do my other dragon characters. It's not gonna be as cartoony as most of my other dragon drawings. Like for example, Rex the dragon is not gonna be as cartoony as him, or Jake the dragon. But instead, it's going to be just like a normal, more detailed kind of dragon. Since this is a drawing tutorial. So yeah, this is a video on how to draw the Amphithere. Amphith, the Amphithere, yeah. So let's start. So with the face. Sorry for the. Jeez, seriously. Yeah, I broke the. I I'm drawing too hard. Use the. It's my sharper here. Okay. Okay, got a lead. So let's continue. So I'm gonna draw lighter this time. So I'm not just immediately killing my pencils. Soft with the body. Yeah, that's pretty much the body. I'm probably gonna add details later more, but I want to emphasize the wings more. So I'll put the wings like this. And set the eyes. And I guess we could add more detail. Let me see. Is yeah, let's add two right there. Then add spikes on his like small spikes, like 3 spikes on his face, spike on his head, and let's draw the pattern on his. Lizards usually have a soft belly. That's usually what this pattern is that I usually draw. You know what? Let's do some more corrections. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a long tail, long body like this. Might as well just not have it curve up upwards like this. I have the body be a little longer. So we're gonna keep this the top of his body the same. My tape here, and we're going to make it longer like this. This is better. I'm going to increase the length like this. And I'm going to add a pattern, but it's going to be like a different. It's going to be like this. Yep. That's got the full body, right? Kind of like a snake like. Hmm. Let's do some more corrections. For instance, the back here is too. It's like a hump. I make it more snake like this time. Make it closer. Yep, that's better. If we're to add more details, I guess I'll add more spice on his like this. Yeah, that's better. I could include the spice on over most of his body at this, but it'd be too similar to dinosaur kaiju. Yeah. Yep, that's the improv there. The dragon drawing. I guess it's similar to the dragon snake I already did like a few years ago. But this one's definitely more snake-like than the other one. I like to do more drawing videos of like beautiful creatures in general. Like beautiful creatures in general too. So I'm doing a lot of like life drawings on like animals and dinosaurs and stuff, which are my favorite animals, but I like to do more beautiful creature drawings too. Yeah, so this is my drawing video on the draw the Amphithere of a beautiful creature dragon drawing. I guess it's a type of dragon, pretty much. So that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it. And I think I'm not gonna be uploading as much because of my work schedule. So I have to work more now. So yeah, not gonna be uploading as videos as much, or at least not like every like every day, not anymore at least. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.